Hello and welcome to my tutorial on multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. So we're going to look at these two different questions and hopefully they can help you understand how to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits. Basically the main thing is keeping track of what you're doing the whole time. So I'm going to use two different colors just to make it obvious for you, but you obviously don't have to. So first thing is we're going to do 2 times 6 and then 2 times 3. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. And when I'm doing 2 times 3, it's actually 2 times 30. But if there's a 0 at the end, we can just ignore it. So 2 times 3, and then we put the 0 in the end afterwards. Okay? So just as long as you're keeping track of which column of numbers you're going down, it'll be alright. So that was our red one. And now 4. 4 times 6. And now you have to remember it's actually 40. But 4 times 6 is 24. But you have to remember this is 0 because it's 40. And then 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. But now there are two zeros, 30 and 40. And then you put the 12. Okay? You add all those numbers up. So I like to do it like this, the big plus sign. Add all those numbers. So 2 is my first number. 1 plus 4 plus 6 is 11. I'm just going to remember that the 1 needs to go over here somewhere. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, and 1. So there's our number for the first one. And let's try it again. So again, multiplication, just like 1 digit by 2 digits, always goes right to left. So you always have to go this way. And you start in the bottom right, and then you go right to left, and then you start, and then next is your bottom left, and then you go right to left. Okay? So that's important to know what order to do all that in. So start going right to left, and then next is right to left on the other color. So 7 times 5 is 35. That one's simple, there's no extra zeros. 7 times 50, or 7 times 5 again, is 35, but it has the extra 0. Now we do 1 times 5, but it's actually 10 times 5, so we have to remember there's that extra 0. So 1 times 5 is 5, plus the 0. And then 1 times 5 again, but plus 2 zeros. So 500. Then we add all those up. Our 1's column is 5. Our 10's column is 13. Put the 3 down. And remember there's another 1. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. And then 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? So that is how you multiply 2 digits by 2 digits.